Good morning, my dear students. It gives me great pleasure to talk to you students through video presentations like this as usual. I am planning to add videos for all the chapters of class 10 of CBSE. So, those who want to have automatic notification about the new videos being uploaded in the channel, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Those who want to reach your friends and relatives and known circle, share with them and advise them to subscribe and then watch. Subscription has no charges. The previous video meant for class 10 of CBSE, we have seen how to go about the solution of system of simultaneous linear equations in two variables x and y using graphical method. I'll just explain the method quickly. I'll take minimum of 2 points for each of the given lines, plotting those points and joining which I'll get a straight line for each of them. If they both intersect at a particular point, okay, for example, they intersect like this, if the point is 2, 1, I'll just write the solution as x, they both intersect at the point 2, 1, therefore solution is x is equal to 2, x is equal to 1. Okay. If both the lines represent the same straight line, I mean to say they are coincident. In such cases, I mean to say each and every point of the line will satisfy the given set of equations. Therefore, every line has infinitely many points. Therefore, in this case, we'll say there are infinitely many solutions. Okay, if the lines are parallel as drawn here, let us say, I am not taking any equation, I'm just giving you by, if it's easier to think of an explanation taking such examples, okay, I'm explaining without taking the equations. Okay, if they both are parallel, I mean to say parallel lines will not intersect at all. There will be no point of intersection for parallel lines. Therefore, there is no solution for the given system of equations if the lines are parallel. I repeat, if they both intersect at a particular point, the point of intersection, the x coordinate will give it a corresponding x value, y coordinate will give the corresponding y value. Here, I mean to say there is a unique solution. If both the lines represent the same straight line as drawn over here, each and every point of the line will satisfy both the equations simultaneously. Therefore, there are infinitely many solutions for the given system of equations. If both the lines are parallel lines will never intersect at all. Therefore, there is no solution for the given system of equation. In the case of unique solution, the lines will be intersecting. In the case of infinitely many solutions, the lines will be coincident each other. In the case of no solution, lines will be parallel. I am talking about a converse part also. Okay. And in the case of unique solution as well as infinitely many solutions, we'll say the system is consistent. By consistency of system of equations, I mean to say there exists at least one solution. If there is one solution, at least, I mean to say system is consistent. If there is no solution, I mean to say system is inconsistent. Let me just explain once again. If they both intersect at one point, there is a unique solution. If the lines are coincident, there are infinitely many solutions. In these two cases, there exists, here there is one solution, here there are more solutions. If there is at least one solution, I mean to say the system is consistent. Now, for in these two cases, I'll come to the conclusion, the system is consistent, system of equations is consistent. And here there is no solution. Any set of values x and y will not satisfy the given set of equations simultaneously. Here I mean to say there is no solution. Here I will come to the conclusion. The system is inconsistent. Okay, there is no solution. That's the real meaning of inconsistency. This particular thing will be explained by taking particular examples. Okay, we call it as test for consistency. Okay, test for consistency using graphical method. Okay, let me take an example. Here I took an example by myself. Okay, I'll just explain. 2x plus y is equal to 4 and x plus 2y is equal to 5. Let me just plot the various points. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. It passes through 2, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 again. Okay. Am I right? 4 by 2 is 2. When y is equal to 0, x is 2. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Sorry, I'm sorry. There's a change here. Let me explain once again. Let me just take once again. When y is 0, x is 4 by 2, which is 2. It passes through 2, 0. Let it be. Now, when x is 0, y is 4, it passes through 0, 4. Let me join these 2 points. I'll draw the line, which is 2x plus y is equal to 4. Okay, when y is 0, x is 5. Okay, let it be 5. When x is 0, y is 2.5. 2.5 is somewhere else here. Okay, in the middle, exactly in the middle between 2 and 3. If I join these two, okay, I'll get another straight line. Here I mean to say x plus 2y is equal to 5. And of course, it passes through 1, 2. You can just check. This point of intersection is 1, 2. Okay, let me just check. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1, 2 into 2, 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Satisfies both the equations. Let me just explain once again. 2x plus y is equal to 4. Put y is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. It passes through 2, 0. Put x equals 0. Y is equal to 4. It passes through 0, 4. Initially I took a wrong point. Okay. Make the correction anyway. Now 4. After joining these 2 points, the arrow mark here tells you it goes up to infinity at both ends. It's very important. Okay, don't stop over here. The arrow mark tells you it goes up to infinity. It stops over here, it will be like a segment. It's not a segment, it's a straight line. Okay, 2x plus y is equal to 4. Write the equation. Then here put y is equal to 0. X is 5, also through 5, 0. Put x equal to 0. Y is anyway 5 by 2, which is 2.5. It's exactly the middle point in between 2 and 3. Join these 2 points. X plus 2y is equal to 5. They both intersect at the point, let us say 1, 2. Okay, solution can also be explained this way. Okay, here meeting at the line meet at the point 1, 2. You can just check 2 into 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. It's correct. Okay, now how to give the conclusion here? Okay, given two lines intersect at 1, 2. Therefore, solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Therefore, there is a unique solution. There is a unique solution for the given system of equations. Unique solution. Therefore, the given system is consistent. I already told you, if there is at least one solution, the system is said to be consistent. If there is no solution, system is said to be inconsistent. Okay, now I'll explain the conclusion part once again. Given two lines intersect 1, 2, we have seen here. Solution is x equal to 1 y equal to 2. In addition to the solution part, I am supposed to add up some more points to think about consistency. Therefore, there is a unique solution for the given system of equations. Therefore, the given system is consistent. Since I am able to get a solution, they are supposed to be consistent. The system is said to be consistent. Okay, the system is said to be consistent. This is how we think about consistency of system of equations graphically. I have taken one example where I have unique solution and consistent. Okay, let me take second example. Test for consistency graphically or using graphical method. Either way you can write. I have taken an example over here. Okay, 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, x plus 2y is equal to 8. Let us just listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, when y is 0, x is 4. It passes through 4, comma 0. When x is 0, y is 2. It passes through 0, comma 2. Therefore, this is the straight line. Of course, this is my x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now, y is 0, x is 8. It passes through 8, comma 0. When x is 0, y is 4. It passes through 4, comma 0. Therefore, this is the line anyway. Okay, here you'll be able to observe they both are parallel. Given two lines are parallel here. Therefore, there is no solution. To the given system of equations. Okay, therefore system is inconsistent. You can even write x dash ox, etc. This is x dash ox, this is o, this is y o, y dash. Those things also you can write. You can write a scale also if needed. Let me explain once again. X plus 2y equal to 4, x plus 2y is 8. These are the given two equations. Put y equals 0, x is 4. Passes through 4, comma 0. Put x equals 0, y is 2. It passes through 0, comma 2. Okay. Similarly, join which I will get, this is my another equation, x plus 2y equals 8. I have been written x plus 2y is equal to 8. Okay, now here put y equals 0, x is 8. It passes through 8, comma 0. Okay, when y equals, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. It passes through 0, comma 4. Now, I am able to observe that the given two lines are parallel. Okay, there is no solution to the given system of equations because parallel lines will never intersect at all. Okay, if you draw with uniform measurements, it will be even pakka. Okay, it will be even better. The diagram will be better. Okay, therefore the system is here supposed to be inconsistent. System is said to be inconsistent here. We come to the conclusion the system is inconsistent. Okay, system is inconsistent. Okay, let me take another example. Okay, just see how we go about it. Test for consistency graphically. Test for consistency graphically. Okay, here it is x plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. Okay, just listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is y o y dash. This is x dash o x. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When y is 0, x is 5. It passes through 5, comma 0. When x is 0, y is 5 by 2, 2.5. It's exactly middle in between 2 and 3. So join these two. Just 2 points will do to draw any straight line. X plus 2y is equal to 5. When y is 0, x is 5 here, same thing. When x is 0, y is 10 by 4, same as 5 by the same thing. Therefore, I get the same equation. Okay, same line in fact. Okay, therefore, here given lines are coincident here. Okay, or the lines are coincident. Let us not use the word given. Okay, lines are coincident here. Okay, therefore each and every point on the line will satisfy both the equations. Okay, therefore every line has infinitely many points. Any line has infinitely many points. Therefore, there are infinitely many solutions to the given system of equations. Therefore, system system is consistent here. System is consistent here. Okay, let me just explain once again. These are the two equations given: x plus 2y is equal to 5, 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. Put y equal to 0, x is 5, passes through 5, 0. Put x equal to 0, 5 by 2 is 2.8, passes through 2.0, 2.5. Join these 2 points. I'll get the line x plus 2y is equal to 5. Here put y equal to 0, x is 5, again 5. Put x equal to 0, 10 by 4 is same as 5 by 2, which is 2.5. It passes through 0, 2.5. Now for both the lines represent both the equations represent the same straight line. Both the equations represent the same straight lines. The lines are coincident here. For each and every point on the line will satisfy both the equations. Any line has infinitely many points. Therefore, there are infinitely many solutions to the given system of equations. If there is at least one solution, system is said to be consistent. Therefore, here the system is said to be consistent. Therefore, here the system is consistent. System is consistent. Okay. Therefore, I have taken one example where you have unique solution. Therefore, system is consistent. I have taken one example where the lines are parallel. Therefore, there is no solution. System is inconsistent. And I have taken one example where the lines are coincident. There are infinitely many solutions. Therefore, system is consistent. This is how we think about consistency of system of equations graphically. I think the rest we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you students for patient watching. A small correction. In one of the places, if the lines are intersecting at 2, 1, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution. By mistake, it was said as x equal to 1. It's a small correction. Make the correction and then learn. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution. Okay, thank you.